What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Horsepower Cartel. Today we're going to be looking at our subscribers' cars, and this is actually our, hold on, I'm not even sure what number we're up to. Hold on, just bear with me. This is part 9. Holy crap, part 9. Would have never thought I would got this far, but here we are. So let's get started. Part 9, me judging my subscribers' cars. Like I said, if you don't see your car in here, it's probably because you DM'd me, or maybe you sent me someone else's car. Like I said, the rules are, and your car might be stock. So the rules are, don't send me no stock cars, don't send me someone else's cars, and don't DM me. Email it right here below, horsepowercartel@gmail.com. It's not that difficult, you know, and I hate to sound like a a-hole, but you know, it is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Anyways, let's get started. We have Harish Shankar from Bangalore. He has a 1994 Premier Padmini S1. Okay, he's got some mods. Okay, he's got some 13-inch 8J alloys with factory-fitted 4:2:1 headers. Okay, he hasn't given me any pictures, but he has attached a video. Oh my God, got some copyright music in there, but pretty cool car. I'm gonna play the video right now. Go ahead, play it. Awesome. I like the whole, you know, white on white. You know, I'm a big fan of white on white. I like the front lip action it's got going on. I would try lowering it, and plus you're in Bangalore, so you got the roads to do it. But it's got a really nice aggressive stance on there. I like it. Cool car, you know. I would definitely rock this. Cool car, man. Harish Shankar, Bangalore Malayali. The title says Bangalore Malayali. So Malu Gang killing it always, you know. Okay, next we have something different. His name is Gurkanwar Singh from Benipal, Ludhiana, Punjab. Okay, he's put up in Gurgaon though. He owns a lowered Willys Army Jeep. That is so cool. It's slammed on some big wheels. This is so cool, man. This is definitely something cool, something different. Wow, awesome whip, bro. Awesome whip. This is definitely some Haryana, you know, Jatuda Mukabla spec. Sidhu Moosewala spec, as you guys know. But pretty cool, man. It's running a 2-liter turbo diesel from a Toyota. That's pretty badass. And he's using some 295/50 15s. I didn't even know they had tires that wide for 15-inch. That's crazy. But yeah, pretty cool. All right, next we got a car from West Bengal. Now, some of you guys might call it rice, but you got to respect the owner's build. You know, he's got a lot of hard work and energy into it. I kind of see what he's going for. The Alto, he's got a little over fenders on there. Not bad. I'll get rid of the racing stripes. I'll definitely get rid of the LED bar above the number plate, unless it's functional and you really need it. I like the little daytime running lights interrogated in the body kit, which isn't bad. That intake gotta go, because you're definitely not gonna make that much power. I mean, is this gonna suck in hot air from your exhaust manifold? I'm pretty sure your exhaust manifold's in the front. So you're actually losing power. Stock Alto could probably beat your car. But pretty cool, you know, got some fitment work going on over there. Long mod list I'm gonna put on the side. You guys can check it out for you Alto lovers. All right, coming up next, we got a 2018. Some of y'all got some weird names to be pronouncing. I mean, not weird, but like difficult names for me to pronounce. So don't kill me if it's, you know, if I say it wrong. Prashant Radhakrishnan. Okay, never mind. This wasn't that bad. But first things first, I'm a big fan of your channel. Thank you. You know, keep up the good work. Thanks. Thank you. He has a 2018 Volkswagen Vento TDI manual, and he's honored to have it featured. So here it is. Stage 2 Code 6 ECU remap. Code 6 stainless steel exhaust with Borla, NCAN, MTS, whatever. My list is on the side. Check it out. Let me go see this car. Ooh, nice. Really like it. It's lowered. You know, I really like these OEM plus cars where, you know, people actually like make it look OEM plus as possible. That means like using wheels from, like, I guess these are GTI wheels, I'm not sure, on a Vento. I love these, you know, cross combinations from the same manufacturer, same brand, obviously, putting bigger wheels from a different car. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I love this. I love the paint. I think this is an OEM paint. He's gone ahead and done a steering wheel upgrade as well. You know, pretty cool. So I like these kind of cars, tastefully modded, nothing over the top, nice and subtle, pretty cool. All right, we got, I don't even know what this car, ooh, Nice. And of course, it's from Kerala. Yeah, you know what? People in Kerala spell my name with the extra H. I don't know why. It's just like a Malu thing, I think. We have Nitin Chandran from Kerala with his 1984 SS80. This is daily driven. He's got a custom paint job and 14-inch BBS wheels, custom exhaust. Pretty cool car. You know, I like the color. Definitely fresh. I like the wheels as well. Period correct. These SS80s are going to go up in value. Mark my words one day. I'm not going to say who, but I know you watch my vlogs and you're one of my close friends. You've told me this. So big Maruti guy. Let's just say he has a few of these and he keeps blowing them up. You know who you are. Nice. We have a car from Danush Shetty. It's a it's a 2017 Chevrolet Cruze. It's got an E-Tuners Stage 2 tune, E-Tuners decat downpipe, BMC stock replacement. I'm gonna put the model list on the side, but pretty cool car. Now E-Tuners, this is, oh, it's got a two-tone wrap too. Okay, now I don't know which E-Tuners this is, but it says E-Tuners, so I'm guessing it's the other E-Tuners and not E-Tuners Motorsport. So, but anyways, cool car. Yo, these Cruzes are sick, and I think it's lowered on air suspension. I'm not sure. One second, let me see. Doesn't mention anything about suspension. It's just lowering springs. Wow, he slammed on lowering springs, man. Pretty cool fitment. Pretty cool looking car. It's also featured on Stay Tuned India, so you know it's a dope ride. Yeah, man, Danush Shetty, thanks for your submission. Next, we have a car from Kurt Benipal. He is from Houston, Texas. Shout out Texas. Okay. He's got a Ford Mustang GT500 bumper swap, side skirts, MMD, diffuser by Street Aero, sick car. Air suspension by Airlift, wheels from Ferrata. Sick car. I love the color. I love the number plate, Jut Life. That is so badass. So badass. I'm definitely gonna hit you up if I come to Houston. I got some family out there, so definitely have to come by one of these days and definitely check it out. You know, I'll definitely hit you up, man. Sick whip, bro. Sick whip. Another car we have from Kerala again, Rahul Benoy. This is 94 Gypsy converted to 1.3 Gypsy King with turbocharger. Wow. He worked on it with his dad at home. That's so badass. And here are the mod lists. I'm gonna put on the side. You guys can check it out. But cool paint job. Looks like he takes it on some rallying as well. Oh, he has a clean Fiat as well and an old SS80. Pretty cool. A UAE import. Left-hand drive pod money. How cool is that? Wow. Awesome whip, man. Cyrus, check this out. I know you're watching, Cyrus. Check this out, man. This is definitely something you would be interested in. Super clean paint job. And I'm loving the Gypsy as well. Decently modded, very subtle, tastefully done up. Kerala guys stay killing it, man. Dude, y'all stay killing it. Next we have Abdul Wajid from, oh, I think you've sent a car, one of my subscribers thing before. Oh yeah, last time, previously 2017 Honda Accord Sport, okay. He has a 2008 X5 on 20-inch Ron C7 wheels, concave setup, love it. Fender flares, pretty cool. I used to have one of these X5s, some of you OG followers know, and it's pretty cool with the M kit and stuff. I like what you're done, man, and of course your Accord's badass as well. So yeah, man, definitely got to link up. If I'm in New York, definitely will hit you up. Or if you're in Philly, hit me up, man. Pretty cool, man. We got cartel fam all over the place. All right, so we got Pranjal from Lucknow. He has a Stage 3 Mark III VRS, aka Tabahi. Oh, he bought it from Prithvi. I was about to say, I'm like, Tabahi is, you know, a well-known car in the game. This is a legend in the tuner scene. This car, when I tell you, it's, the name does it no justice. You know, if anything, I feel like the name is downplaying it. It's called Tabahi, which I think means in Hindi, don't quote me on this, my Hindi is really bad when it comes to these complicated words, but Tabahi means destruction or something, right? So this is what this car is. I mean, I remember seeing this car in person in Delhi when we went. Well, if you could just play a clip of it and me talking about it. So yeah, check it out. Prithvi, they call him Mr. Disaster. And I see why. This guy got 10 piston calipers on a Skoda Laura. Insane, bro. Running the KO4 setup. How much power?
310 320 wheel horsepower.
320 to the wheels. Insane.
About 420 to the wheel top.
APR tuned. Sick. I remember 10 piston caliper brakes in the front. How cool is that? But 6 setup with the Borbet wheels. I'm so glad that, you know, he sold it to one of his friends. That's so cool, man. Pranjal, take care of it. It's an amazing car. Definitely OG, well-recognized car in the scene. So hopefully, you know, you got the torch passed on to you. Make sure you take care of it. So yeah. Next up, we got a cartel fan from Mumbai. I met these guys in Goa. This guy, Shoria, super cool. Him and his brother. We went and got a car wash together. So he has a crazy Mandatory. I'm gonna put the mod list on the side. You guys should check it out. But Ruel, why don't you go ahead and play some videos of this car from that trip? You know, super cool car. They had a custom enclosure hardtop with headliner inside, which is pretty cool. Then he has the captain seats in the back as well. Amazing for road trips, I guess. And yeah, this thing is definitely made for some heavy duty off-roading, but that door, I remember shutting that door, was so heavy, man. Crazy. 170 horsepower, by the way. Ooh, pretty cool. All right, next we got a car from Swajit Acharikar. He's got, oh, I know you. I met you at the Valley Run. I keep running into this guy at Valley Run. Crazy Honda City, you know, Team M1 Racing. Shout out Team M1 Racing. He also has a 330i or 328i, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, pretty cool car, man. This Honda City definitely moves out. You know, it's a 1.5, makes about 170 horsepower. Put the mod list on the side, check it out. Got LSD as well. Pretty cool, man. This goes around the track real fast. You know, these cars, M1 Racing, they're known for their track cars. It's a 330i Sport, Super Stage 2. I remember meeting him in the Valley Run with this car. I actually ran against him, I think. And of course, Team M1 Racing looks after this. Pretty cool car. I like the whole wrap. I don't know about the side. I like the top wrap with the whole, you know, ripple effect. It looks pretty cool. But yeah, man, cool car. I love F30s, as you know. They're awesome. You know, they're one of the best cars ever made. We got a car from Ludhiana, Punjab. I don't know what his name is. But a Civic. We have our body kit, which is nice, you know, not that crazy. I'm so glad you don't have a spoiler on here. It's so nice to see a Civic with no spoiler on here. It's attached to video as well. Let's see. Anywho, yeah, I mean, what can you do? It's a 1.8 R18 engine. They don't sound the best, but it's not as bad as it could be worse, okay? Madhav, pretty cool car. The Panda, awesome. I love the team, and I'm so glad you haven't put a big spoiler. Okay, I'm going through my email. This has nothing to do with subscriber cars, but I got an email from someone saying, hey, hi, this is from Sahil Gaikwad. He says, Samprith is my best friend. He's your big fan. Today, 5th of May, is his birthday, so please wish him. So here we go. Happy birthday, belated birthday to Samprith. You know, I'm only 18 days late, but you know, better later than never, right? So hope you're watching, and you know, happy birthday. I just happened to go through my emails, so I just saw it right now. I'm so sorry. So yeah, next we have another car from down south, of course. Hey Santosh, love from South India. Big fan of your channel. I know mine's just another Polo GT, but it's a TDI because I wanted the manual plus the diesel torque. He's running a stage 1 tune from Code 6, producing 300 Nm, along with all the supporting handling upgrades. Here's the mod list. Here's the mod list. Check it out. Pretty cool. I don't know if this is a custom wrap or paint, but the paint looks like a pearl white. Pretty cool. I don't see it in the mod list about anything to do with cosmetic-wise, paint-wise, but paint looks cool, man. I like this car. Tastefully enough, like I said, OEM plus, the way to go. You know, nothing over the top, nice and subtle, and just look clean, man. Clean bills always work out. Next we have Arjun EV from Kerala, Calicut. Now his car is bone stock, okay, but he's done a complete restoration, so I must share with you guys, and of course we gotta appreciate his work. And I love station wagons in the States, you already know, you know, and it's super clean. It's a Suzuki Baleno Altura. Pretty cool car, Arjun. I know everyone's gonna be like, oh, it's a stock car, why'd you, you know, mention it? It's fully restored, and plus it's a rare car. I mean, so yeah. All right, next we got a really special car, and one of my favorite cars, and I'm so jealous my subscriber owns this because it's one of my favorite cars. And the funny thing is, his name is Santosh as well. His name is Santosh Bechan. He's an R34 GTT. It's not a GTR, it's a GTT, but still, it's R34. I don't give a what anyone says. Top condition, still has original paint. It has 125,000 kilometers on the clock. It's from 1998, so that means the first gen R34, and it is 1 year before the GTR came out. So, okay, GTR came out in 99, makes sense. Car has original Nismo, Aero, Nismo cluster, mod list on the side. He's from Holland, by the way, if you guys are wondering. Wow, cool car, man. I am so jelly. I am so jelly. Super clean car. And it's white. It's got the sick wheels. Oh my God, man. You really made me a jealous man today. So anyways, that's it, guys, for today's episode for subscribers' cars. Like I said, don't DM me. Don't send me your stock car. And I don't even know what the third one was, but just email us. I'm horsepowercartel@gmail.com. Here's mod lists, pictures, videos if you have some, and yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys soon. By the time you're watching this, the S-Class is probably done with this paint job, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be coming up next episode, I guess, probably, hopefully, if everything goes straight. Mr. Dubé, if you're watching this, shout out Redline Auto House. I've gotten pictures of the car, by the way, in the paint booth, so I can't really show you guys. You know, it looks cool. It looks cool for what it is. Yeah, stay tuned and see you guys on another episode of Horsepower Cartel.